JBL Clip 3 can do 3 clips, and that summarizes the video. No, wait! I kid. Hey everyone, Mukul here, and here's how the JBL Clip 3 is like apart from those 3 lame clicks which I had just made. Don't let this color fool you, this is not mine but my sister's, and even she didn't have a choice when she was buying one. So yeah, hold on to your judgmental horses. The overall design language of the speaker is pretty slick. I like it except for the fact that the JBL logo could have been easily put at the back and not just abruptly protrude in the front. But then how would the JBL show that this is a JBL product? The speaker grill feels like a mix of fabric and metal structure. There's a mesh underneath it to possibly protect it from water. There's a volume down and up buttons with a play button which also acts as a pause button. It can also pick and disconnect an ongoing call like other Trillion Bluetooth speakers. The buttons are quite protruding, so you can actually use them without looking at the speaker, especially with shampoo all over your eyes. The Bluetooth version is 4.1, so the Bluetooth latency lag wouldn't be much noticeable, as I hope no one is going to game with this anyway. The buttons and their actions behave pretty promptly, and I actually didn't have to wait as much as with the other Bluetooth speakers I have tested. There's a lag of at most 1 second, which is expected at Bluetooth frequency. The clip of JBL Clip is made of metal with rubber underneath it. The back has a feel which is more towards plastic and less towards rubber, and this exclamation mark in between these grooves represents something which I will share ahead. The back also has 2 buttons to power it on and off and to help with connecting it to the Bluetooth of your device for the very first time. The best part of the buttons on the speaker is that you don't need to hold them for long to power it on or off. I think the design is mainly aimed at those who are more into compact Bluetooth speakers which look decent enough to carry around, and the clip is something which I am trying to figure out a purpose for. You can definitely hook to your pocket pants and become a new age modern desk jockey without a desk, or possible with or without jockey under the pants. And bags, hook it to your bags. The lightweight doesn't make you feel you're carrying anything extra truly. Or just hang it next to your drying cloth lot so that it can also entertain your bored wet clothes. But one huge drawback to this design is that you must forget to ever make it stand. It can either lie flat on the surface or get clipped somewhere. So clearly portability was its main pursuit and not standing ovations. The speaker is lightweight, has an output of 3.3 watts and battery claim of about 10 hours, and it holds an impressive 1000 mAh battery. I've tested it personally and I can easily say it even crossed 7 hours of my usage, and even then there was some battery left. The speaker comes with an IPX7 rating, and that means bathing with it shouldn't cause any problems to it. But IPX7 also means you can't throw strong splashes of water in it, so never put it in front of fire brigades. Immersing it in water for about 30 minutes should work just fine, but I hope you're not going to have a party under the ocean with this thing. But do remember, these ratings don't vouch for the warranty the device comes with. The device came with a short micro USB cable to charge it with, use your own charger, and a 3.5mm jack in case you want to save its battery by plugging in directly to the source. The mic on the speaker was really good when I made a call via it, and I was pleasantly surprised how clear the vocals were on it. The sound is quite balanced and bass is as heavy as speaker this size could produce. You can definitely hear more instrument and tones when you put it next to your ear. I mostly listened to trance, and the speaker produced quite satisfactory bass levels. I would say not extremely thumpy because of its size, but kinda at a level where I was satisfied with the sound.
Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear.
To improve it more, you can always put it around a shallow area or a corner to get marginally more thump. But boy, oh boy, is it loud or something. This tiny speaker at its max volume might just surprise you too. It filled my living room easily at a max volume, so 10 out of 10 for that, for the size it has. It's like a perfect sound level to have around 5 to 6 people, or maybe 7 to 8 people if you don't have an alternative on that particular occasion. The Bluetooth range was pretty good too. I was standing some good 30 to 40 meters away from the speaker and the connection never weakened. I feel for the kind of quality this speaker has, the price is quite fair. I would obviously appreciate a slightly lower price tag more, but the quality of the sound and almost negligible Bluetooth 4.1 lag, no distortion at max volumes, and even the two-way call quality really impressed me. Guess those reviews on Amazon etc. are not fake at all. Consumers are truly happy with it. And is it reliable or not? Well, that's something you can comment on till you use it for some months. I believe it's a good product and worth investing in. If you have these specific requirements of bathing with a speaker which is pretty loud and looks good whilst you stare at it during a bath, you can purchase the speaker from the Amazon links I have posted in the description just to support the channel. Hit like and sub for more relevant content in the future. That's all for today. Mewbot out.